Yeah, guys, I hope this screen was sharing to you. Just message me that screen is visible for you or not. That's it. Recording in guys.
Guys.
Okay
Hello.
then. Yeah. Who is that? Okay then. Today we are going to learning like yeah. Previous session we will learn about like how this what kind of technology we are learning and also the what kind of language we should have to learn and what kind of projects we are doing in the further sessions we I was discussed with you guys. And coming to the as a basic learning of the HTML, we will discuss here the everything as a briefly and how to write these codes in the VSL code player and modifying the codes and how to see the outputs in the Edges browser and also this Chrome browser. Okay, then we will go the further slide also. Yeah. And previously we are discussed about the software developer fundamentals and a intro. In this intro, we will learn like a browser and URL must be open on any website. It should have to open on any website like that. The URL should have to contain like that. And syntax. The syntax is nothing about the formulas. It's like a mathematical formula, or it will be like a rules of that languages. And bugging and debugging. Bugging and debugging is nothing about bug. It's something we are doing a mistake that's rising a bug. And also debugging is nothing about it should be like a recorrecting your mistakes in that codes and also we are doing and visiting codes getting a insignificance into a code. Then we will go to the today's agenda. Let's we discuss today's agenda. What will be there? Coming to the point today, I'm going to discussing with you like how we can prepare like main heading with the help of the element of H1 and paragraph with the help of element of P elements, and also we are discussing about the button. Uh, everyone knows the button when we are going the any other website. There is a button like a card button, add the card like that. We will discuss today's sessions on these topics in the HTML. Let's we discuss as a front-end developer, how can we do our journey as a static website. We have to start with the static website as a basic level of HTML, CSS codes. These both are like a very basic, like our mother tongue languages. It's like very basic for to understanding these computers and to develop a website also. And coming to the response website is nothing about it was responding something like here we are using like bootstraps. With the help of bootstraps, the image carousel will be adding and videos can be added. Like that we can do with the help of bootstraps. And coming to the dynamic websites. In this dynamic website, we are discussing about the React.js, JS, HTML, CSS, and bootstraps. Here, mixing these two static website and response website here in the dynamic website. Um, Coming to the last and final, as a front end, what we have to learn is React.js. It's a model of mobile apps designing like that. Here we are learning with the help of language like React.js and Flutter. We are learning. Um, and coming to the point today, we are learning like for example, we will. This is our actually this is my academic PPT, but we will do like a different way of a project uh, as our projects in different way, and also we will learn like a different way. Coming to the point, here is our static website. As per in the static website, what we are learning like today, how to build these 3 pages in different way, and how we can match these 3 pages also. We are learning for the session, not today. Also, for the sessions also, it will be helping you to build your static website. And when you are preparing, these websites, on that time you have to divide it these parts.
Guys, what's the topic is going on?
Huh? What happened?
What the topic is going on?
You were speaking that one.
अरे पूछ रहे हैं टॉपिक क्या है?
Topic is the basic HTML. यार.
Okay, continue.
Then while you are designing a website, listen, guys, when you are designing a website, on the time you have to know how we can build this website in a part of like dividing this, like one is a background image, heading, paragraph, button, padding, like that. We have to divide it everything as a simple breaking down of it into a small parts, and we can develop our codes very easy and very fast way. We can understanding the every code can be easy for us on that time. Then here is the issue what we are facing with the Chrome also. If your software is not update, and you will be facing like some issues like a error issues and everything. Whenever the software will be developing in your Chrome, then it will be showing your output like a perfect way also. Okay, this is my academics. Okay, I'm forwarding this one. I'm going to showing you in the VSL code. Okay, guys. Here is the VSL code player. Yeah, here is the VSL code player. Whenever you want to start a project, okay, I will send you a link, or when I will post this video in YouTube, you will get a link how to download this VSL code player and how to install this one. Okay, let's when here you're going like files, and here is the explorer. When you are exploring, just you have to tab like for example, here is the one. I'm going to tabbing like index like HTML. Already was exists, that's why I'm like street.html. It should have to maintain like that. And if you not maintain like that, means you will get like some errors like yeah. See here I was mentioned like street.html. It means if you're not mentioning .html, then you can't play that code in that language. And here I was mentioned this very basic language as a document type of HTML, and also the heading, body, and here is it's a pre-coding field I was did it previously. And coming to the point, how I can see this one. Yeah, here I went and I was started to run without a debugging. It was run without a debugging. Here is the code which it was when you are going to opening, when you are running, it will be asking the permission whether you want to open in Chrome or in Edges. Like that, it was I was pre-installed that was. That's why I was read it like in the Edges Chrome. And now today we are discussing about this in the HTML. Like first we are discussing about heading. We should have to add this up and down arrows, like greater than and less than arrow. And here is the mandating that you should have to mention the H1. If you're not mentioning the H1 means it will not recognize that the code is HTML here. And here the H1 is indicated that you are doing like this is a heading 1. It will recognize that this is a heading 1 we did. Just wait a minute. Here is the heading 1, and here I'm typing like Sri Sharan. Ladder was typed here, and let's we see what is the output of here. And again, I'm running like start with debugging. Debug anyway. Yeah, this is my first time I'm doing like debugging. Yeah. See, guys, you can visible that here is adding. I got like a Sri Sharan, and coming to the point. Here, yeah. Coming to the point, here is the paragraph I'm mentioning in the paragraph. Same like we have to mention like put a greater than less than symbols and mention P and type enter and close it that bracket like greater than less than symbols. And here is the type. Just type anything, whatever you need. Like I was typing like K, J, M, S, F, S, S. This I was typed like that. And here I'm showing you what is the result of that one. That's just a minute. Yeah. Here is the result that I got it. See, here is the paragraph and here is the heading. I hope guys you are understood this what is the heading and what is this paragraph in the practical way. Yes or no, guys? If you not understand, just tell me. Guys, anyone can you okay then coming to the slides, coming point two of the slides. I already told how to mention this HTML in the practical way, but in the theoretical way, you should have to add the starting tag, and in the middle you have to add some content. Like I was mentioned in the VSL code player, that's my name, like a Sri or Sri Charan. It's a of my name. I was mentioned, and here is the tag. Is H tag I'm using H1 tag I'm using for it was indicating to the element of heading, and I was closing with this slash bar also. That's an end tag. Without that, we will get like errors. Like that, we have to do. And coming to the point, here is the main heading. What we are did like in this slides. There is a main heading is a tourism. Yeah. Then what we have to do in the tourism is an element H1 tourism and slash H1 closing the tags of the end tag and starting tags. And in the content we are doing like a tourism is the main content. Here is the code which we have to write in the HTML. But again, I will show you that also. No. I hope the tourism is done with you. Then again, I'm running this. Yeah. Again, I was run this one and I got like a tourism here. And if I mention here plan to visit. Plan to visit. And here was mentioned like a plan to visit. And again, I'm refreshing this one and I got it like a plan to visit. And here's the part of the here. And same as per what is the starting element and ending element should have the same point. We should have to add something just like a P. It's a paragraph. We have to identify that's it. And here is the word we are learned up to today, like a heading paragraph. And let's we go forward way like how to add a button in this today's session. Okay, let's add a button. Button also same, but you should have a you should write a full name. That's a button in the starting and ending tag. Okay, and here I'm writing like a button. Another P. I'm putting like button. I'm closing this one, and I was mentioned that button. Where to visit a button. Oh, okay, I will show you like starting only button only. I was you will also confuse you guys. Yeah. See here, I got a button. I got here button, and I'm going to changing here. Visit your favorite place. So yeah, here I was like writing like a favorite in shortcut FAV, and visit your favorite place or favorite place either. Or lucky, or you can change like your like as always lucky place or something else. I'm sorry, this I was open. Yeah. See, visit your lucky place. Like that, I was did it, and like this, uh, we had to do. And here is the button. We are successfully added like a button also. And today we are learning like a very basic way of the HTML syntax and how to add this button paragraph and like it. And next coming to session, we will learn like how to add with the help of CSS. Guys, who is that?
Hello, hello.
Tell me.
Yeah, continue. You are going good.
And upcoming session, okay, after this session, after 20 minutes, I'm going to conducting like a very basic way how to build with the help of CSS also a static website like a background images, adding a background image. Later we will discuss and also the here where is this one? Yeah. Here you're seeing now, here the test is left side. Every test, even the button also left side. And how to we can bring in center or down or left and right. We will be discussing coming session, sorry, upcoming sessions. Like that, we will learn as briefly and exploring our session in different way with the help of CSS and also the further session. We will learn like also the bootstrap also. Okay, I hope I'm done today's session and next session will be on introduction on the CSS.
Oh, wow.
Guys, does you have any questions means just tell me. I will stop these slides also. Does you have any questions, any queries right now still? Guys, are you audible?
Yeah, you are audible. I guess no one is having any question.
Small query also doesn't have now. Why? Because I will move on the session. Next session will be like on CSS like that. So these are the very basic
Okay.
fundamental I was discussed with you guys.
Yeah, it is very, very, very basic.